Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So my last video I was working on some plastics on a little bike for my grandson. We've got that bike completed now, which you'll see in a video that is yet to be uploaded, but so we're getting ready to go to the dunes on Labor Day weekend. We got a lot to do. So we got some new tires here. This front tire, this small front tire, goes on that little bike, my grandson's old bike. That's for the front. We're going to put that on there, clean that bike up and sell it. These two new rear tires here, we've got to put them on the back of the four-wheeler because, as you can see, pretty bald, not much tread left on those, so those new ones will be nice on there. And then we bought, because I got my son that bike and it's a clutch bike, he needs a little help learning to ride and that, so I found this, that's an XR80 that he's got, and I found this XR250. Needs a little love, but with a little TLC and that, we'll get this one fixed up looking just like the other one. I don't want to show you the other one right now because, well, I guess I can, because I'm going to put that video up for later, but this video up after the other one. So yeah, so there it is. That's kind of what it looks like before we get it cleaned up. And then this is what it looks like after it's done. I redid all the plastics and everything. Of course, if you watch the other video, you know that. But so I got this other one. This one here is a 95. The 250 is a 94, but they're close enough in color and match and everything. The shock protectors are blue. You know, this has the blue paint on the number plate and the side plates. We'll take that off. And I'm going to sticker it up. I've ordered the exact same graphics packages I put on the little one. We've ordered some new hand guards for it. One of them's missing, and the one that is here is pretty hammered. You can see there's no sanding that out. That one's hammered to heck, so we'll get rid of that. Went today and bought a new pressure washer because this engine on this thing was just covered in oil and nastiness. It's got an oil leak we're going to have to address, but it runs pretty good. Got a little bit of a backfire. It might just be a timing thing or a valve adjustment. It is a 4-stroke, so don't believe it's carburetor because it goes too good when you gas it, but when you let off it wants to backfire a lot, so we'll figure that out. We got this little pressure washer. I was going to do an unboxing and review of it, but we just get in a hurry and get ahead of ourselves sometimes. It's a Harbor Freight Bauer electric pressure washer. I found some gas ones on the classifieds, but then you always got to have gasoline, and they're noisy and bug the neighbors or whatever. And this one's pretty quiet. You just turn it on and this is what it sounds like. It's on right now. And then you grab the wand. When you turn the wand on, it's not so bad. It's not too loud. And then of course it just shuts off when you release the pressure wand. So it's going to come in pretty handy. I can use that to pressure wash and clean my windows on the house and wash my truck. But these machines is the main reason I got it, because we've got, you know, four-wheelers and our big street bikes here that we always end up going to the car wash. And so we've got four-wheelers and dirt bikes, sand rails. My brother bought this little buggy here that he's going to get fixed up. Pretty good little project outfit. Runs pretty good. Runs really good, actually. It just needs some TLC. But, so anyway, that's what we're doing. This video here is just going to kind of be a random video of things we're doing to get ready to go on Labor Day. We've got like 2 weeks to get a bunch of stuff done. So I'm gonna run to Harbor Freight right now. I'm gonna get a tire buster to bust down these tires. I don't want to have to take those down to the tire shop. I don't have time for that kind of stuff. I work a lot of hours, and when I'm off on Saturday and I've got so much to do, it'd take me, you know, I don't want to waste a half a day to have to run down to the bike shop and have them change those tires, and then it probably cost me about the same amount of money to have these. I could go have this done a couple of times, and I could have bought that tire buster from Harbor Freight. So I'm going to run and get that, and we'll be back and we'll get some tires put on that red four-wheeler.